your girl LB.
It's your girl Leilani.
Your boy VLA the Vyberz.
And baby Vega. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you guys hit that notification button. Make sure you guys like this video and share it. We want to go ahead and meet, how much followers, Leilani?
465 followers.
Exactly. So we back with another video, you guys. This is kind of like a mukbang challenge video we're gonna go ahead and do for you. We went ahead and we had 80. Is it 80? 80 or 60?
80.
Wait,
80
wait.
stuff.
40.
No, 80
40.
stuff. No,
40. 6. 8 is
60. Wait, okay.
60.
60.
60 chicken nuggets.
Yeah.
We got 60 chicken nuggets, you guys. 60 chicken nuggets from McDonald's.
Yeah.
And we have 2 large fries, and we have a whole bunch of sauces, and we have a drink. So the challenge is to see who can eat the most chicken nuggets. Everybody gotta keep count for themselves.
I think it's me, guys. You can tell me I can eat this chicken nugget and fries the whole time. I can.
Leilani said she can eat the most chicken nuggets. Daddy.
We're gonna see.
Daddy, you know I'm gonna eat. Guys, come on, comment down below. You think I'm gonna eat the most?
Yeah, comment down below.
Girls versus boys.
Girls versus boys.
Girls is gonna win.
We're gonna see who can eat the most chicken nuggets. So we're about to go ahead and look. How you gonna start eating without us? You can't do that.
Okay, everybody, cut it out. Eat your
You can't do that. Leilani needs the rest of it. Cut it out. He can't do that. He's trying to cheat before we start. But anyways, make sure you guys comment down below. We're gonna go ahead and get started on the video, okay?
Hit that perfect.
So we're back with the chicken nuggets. You see, everybody has their own 20-piece ball. So 20 piece for Leilani, 20 piece for Daddy, 20 piece for me. But we're gonna see if we can all eat the whole 20 piece. So it's 60 nuggets all together. Hopefully we can try to down it all. But we got a whole bunch of sauces. We have honey mustard. Yeah. What else? He trying to cheat over there. Y'all see the cheater. So you can see that he cheating. He been eating all the time.
Hold up, Mama.
Go ahead. Your third fry.
Guys. So my dad is a picky. Daddy, wait. First of all.
Go ahead.
So when we're trying to do the video, my dad will sit in here, me and my dad, and then he took a fry.
He eating all the fries.
You saw it. We
all saw it. Anyways.
So
we got okay. So we have all the barbecue sauce. Well, we got barbecue sauce. We got honey mustard, ranch, sweet and sour. We got all these sauces, y'all. It's a whole bunch of sauces. You ain't gonna chime in because y'all know what the sauce look like or whatever. But we gonna try to see who can eat the most chicken nuggets. Vega already cheating, so we just gonna go ahead and try our best. So everybody go ahead.
Look at our sauce.
You want your sauce?
Yeah.
Don't say nothing that I licked the top of the wrapper.
Y'all don't judge my mom.
Don't judge my mom, okay?
I need sweet and sour.
Ew, you get that from your tati.
Bruh, I love my tati. She always let me get sweet and sour.
You want sweet and sour and barbecue?
Yeah. Okay, good.
Give her a plate.
I'm gonna start off with the original.
Babe, give her a plate. Give Leilani a plate.
About to dip it in this. This is my third one, by the way.
He got buffalo sauce. He was cheating,
Spicy buffalo sauce.
Spicy buffalo, but he just know he was cheating. And he was eating before we was eating. Look at Baker trying to show it.
This is my second chicken nugget.
Girl, eat your chicken nugget.
This is my second chicken nugget. This is my second chicken nugget.
Thumbs up, huh?
I don't like the spicy buffalo.
One chicken nugget down, y'all.
2 chicken down.
4.
4 chicken nuggets?
He cheating.
Guys, he's cheating, guys.
I don't know.
That's
What wants to do?
Y'all been from a long time. He was cheating. He cheated on a couple questions. Now look, he cheating on a nugget. Wow.
Number 6.
How?
We're different drinks. We're having 3 chicken nuggets.
I was eating jumping on 6 now.
Okay, Leilani. I'm keeping count for myself. You keep count for yourself. He cheating.
He's all
okay, he cheating. I'ma just start shouting out numbers. 13. Number 13.
Guys.
I'm doing that. Remember, we've been recording, so I know what I'm doing.
My neck is full with chicken nuggets.
He doing that. He lying. It's not a race. It is what they say. It's not a race.
It's not a race.
The hair and the tortoise. Remember, slow and steady wins the race because he gonna get full. Watch.
Yeah,
Number 55.
No.
Because he want to be cheating.
It's going to be 8 if I eat one. Oh.
This was Leilani idea, y'all. Want to do this crazy challenge.
So you do for your kids.
No. This is nice.
Guess who out for the count? Goofy behind.
I ain't goofy.
My 9.
Number 9?
Yeah.
Good girl.
I'm not 4 anymore.
I already knew I was not finna make y'all look like that. I could barely eat 10.
Slow and steady wins the race. People selling out.
I wasn't selling out.
The girl's gonna win.
I was just saying I don't know.
The girls was gonna win anyway.
Yeah, I don't want to eat.
And the girls gonna win.
You can try to shade all you want. We still beat you.
Weak, win.
Y'all weak.
Better weak.
Sorry, fellas, I can't do it.
And I'm just nibbling on fries in between, and we still going steady. What happened?
They McDonald's babies.
It's sad that people gotta throw shade to make themselves feel better because they weak.
This is my 10 chicken nuggets. That's my 10 chicken.
How many you had?
That's my 10 chicken nuggets.
No, how many you had? How about you done? 4.
No, I had it. Let me see how much I got left. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Count it correctly. You trying to count? He's trying to count on the low. He a cheater. I told
I got
y'all.
12.
12 minus 20 minus 12.
No, I had
How many?
8.
That's sad. Slow and steady wins the race. My damn, Leilani and them trying to bust down their box, and I'm trying to bust down my box.
I did 10. I did 10, guys. Don't believe me. I did 10.
Look at the weakling over there, y'all. He burping.
It's called gas.
Sad.
It's called, hey, come on.
Daddy's gonna win tomorrow because I know he's gonna win.
Your daddy a loser.
I'm a loser. I don't know.
This is evidence proof that he cheated in the couples game.
What you mean? I didn't say I didn't lie.
But you cheated in the couples game where you was changing the questions and the answers.
What did I change here? I didn't change
You
nothing.
clearly was cheating. You was eating before us. And you
No, I ate fries before. I didn't eat the nuggets.
You was eating before us, y'all.
Yeah, I did. I didn't even touch the nuggets.
My 9 is the
I was eating the
cut
fries.
So guys, we at the end of the video. We thought we was gonna be able to bust it down, but it was not working out.
I got
We are I'm trying to say slow and steady. Wins the race. Wait, everybody show their box so they can see who got like whatever left.
Okay,
Wait, Leilani, so they can see yours. You're too short. Let me help you out.
No, I got it.
Okay. Y'all be the judge, but I'm gonna let y'all know how much I got left. We already know how much Slowpoke ate over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 nuggets left.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6.
Leilani has 6.
I literally ate
Leilani had help though. Leilani had Vega to help her, but okay, but we not gonna do it or whatever. But go ahead,
I got
slow
12.
and steady.
I got 12 left.
No, count it. Count it again.
I counted it.
That's sad.
Yeah.
Wow.
Cheating and all. That
I wasn't cheating.
Cheating leader. Cheating leader, Peter leader. Cheating leader,
Stop it. Look. Cheating don't get you nowhere, y'all. Slow and steady.
First of all, I wasn't.
Let me go ahead and just tell that say.
Okay, that's good.
Let my beautiful mother.
Let her beautiful mother speak. I'm the winner. I win.
We
wait.
we
I'm gonna say. I'm the winner for the adult version, and Leilani is the #1 winner as a kid because Leilani ate the most.
She was the first. She first. I'm the second one.
No, you can be first. I'm second.
No, you can be first. I will be second.
Okay. That's my letter. That's what I'm talking about. But yeah, slow and steady wins the race, y'all. Don't ever try to cheat. It's not gonna work.
Cheat is like literally not gonna help you to win.
It's not gonna help you win when you cheat. But anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. We hope y'all.
Ain't no
The Vyberz know. The Vyberz family know. Like Leilani said, the Vyberz family know. This is the second time he cheated in the video, just so y'all know. Anyways, but girls rule, boys drool. Anyways,
Girl real
boys drool.
We signing out.
We signing out. See y'all later. Bye. Bye.